In this video, I'm going to show you how to see YouTube channel total views. So if you want to see exactly how a YouTube channel is doing, you can easily watch out for the total views on this particular YouTube channel. So if you're done with this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do is open the YouTube application and go to the YouTube channel whose total views you want to see. Now let's say you want to see the total number of views MrBeast YouTube channel has gathered. So far, just go to the YouTube channel just like this. Then you should see all the videos on the page. Now, what you need to do is locate this pointed arrow and click on it. Then once you click on that pointed arrow, you should see the information about the YouTube channel if there is any available according to the YouTube owner. Then scroll down to the bottom. Then at the bottom page, you should see the total number of views a YouTube channel has. As you can see, as I am recording this video, MrBeast has gathered about 50 billion YouTube channels. That is 50 billion 370 million 863,968 views. So this is how you can easily see a YouTube channel total view. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.